How to fix photos disappearing issue in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option photos. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of storage photos. After clear the cache memory of photos, then go back to your home screen and open your photos app. Now click on albums and here you can see the recently deleted option. Now click on it and here you can see your recently deleted photos or videos. Here you can delete all recently deleted photos or videos or also recover you can these things. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.